Ekaro, everybody, good morning, and welcome to another episode of Learn Yoruba with me. Today is Wednesday, or Joru. Today we will be going over numbers in Yoruba, numbers 1 to 10 specifically. We will do the remaining others in other videos. So, how do we count in Yoruba? Especially how do we count when we're counting objects in Yoruba? So let's take it easy and follow along. Try to look at the accent marks and read it along as well. So we have 1, which is okon, 2, eji, 3, eta, 4, eri, 5, aru, 6, efa, 7, eje, 8, ejo, 9, ẹ̀sán, and 10, ẹ̀wá. Mewa. So we have all 10 numbers in Yoruba. I also am learning, so I might pronounce things a bit off here and there, but I'll try my hardest to give you the best pronunciation I possibly can. So let's move on. So when we want to count in Yoruba, right, we have the eji, eta, eri, aru, as we saw earlier, but when we were counting objects, for example, 2 dogs, 4 cows, etc., we have to alter it a little bit. I'll show you what I mean. In this example, we have 1 okon, or any, 1 table. One table in Yoruba is tabili kan. You see that tabili, table, ends with an I, a vowel, and okon starts with the vowel o. Because of this, we will omit the second vowel o and add an apostrophe. Very much similar to the English way of concatenating words. For example, it is into its. So tabili kan. And this is the only example where you would see this when counting like objects. For example, 1 always has that kan at the end of it. Then going on to number 2, we then have 2, eji, 2 girls, ọmọbìnrin méjì. Here you see it's different than the first one because now we have an M introduced. That M is very different because now we connotate it and say obìnrin méjì. Obìnrin méjì, 2 girls. Then 3, eta, 3 siblings, is àbúrò mẹ́ta in Yoruba. Remember, àbúrò is siblings in Yoruba. 4, eri, 4 dogs, ajá mẹ́rin. 5, say 5 loaves of bread, búrẹ́dì márùn. Búrẹ́dì obviously is bread. There are some English words in Yoruba that we can alter into the Yoruba accent, and you'll come across a few of these in our Yoruba journey. 6 is ẹ̀fà, 6 articles of clothes, aṣọ mẹ́fà. Then 7 is méje, 7 books is ìwé méje. If you remember, ìwé is books in Yoruba. 8 is ẹ̀jọ, 8 students, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mẹ́jọ. So all of you watching this video are students. We are akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, we are students. I hope we're more than 8 though. So akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mẹ́jọ. Then we have 9, ẹ̀sán, 9 doors. For some weird reason, you want to count how many doors you have in your house. You say, I have 9 doors. Ilẹ̀kùn mẹ́sàn. Ilẹ̀kùn is doors in Yoruba. Then we have 10, ẹ̀wá, 10 houses. Maybe in your neighborhood you have 10 houses. You can say ilé mẹ́wàá. Ilé is house in Yoruba. So I hope that was helpful. I hope I was able to pronounce some of the numbers correctly. If you can, try to go back again and write these down, say it over and over again. Remember, practice and repetition are your friend when learning any language, whether Yoruba or Spanish or any language. Again, try as much as you can, and in the comments below, create your own examples, right? Count something in your house. It's okay if you say the object, like let's say house or cow or whatever, if you say it in English, but try and get the numbers in Yoruba, and write that in the comments below. And let me see if you guys have any questions or you need any help in catching some of these things. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, set the bell notifications for more videos every Wednesday. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Odabo.